So Nikola has been making a lot of noise. They just secured a major deal. People wonder if it is Tesla's competitor. Regardless of having any vehicle sales, it has been one of the most talked about stocks. And right now it is currently trading about 45% from all-time high. And looking here at the price action, it's still in price discovery, trying to find a fair value. And right now it did find support right here in this $40 range. Is another possible run up to all-time high on the way. We'll look more into that right after this intro. Hey guys, it's John here, and I was thinking I'd change it up in this video and look at another stock. And the stock we'll be looking at is Nikola Corporation, NKLA. And don't forget, if you're enjoying the video and you want to support the channel, hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't already. Let's move into support and resistance levels. Support number one is right around $35, which is right at the monthly open. Then the next support level after that will be right around $29. That is where the price bottomed out this month, showing a double bottom. And to the upside, the first resistance level is between $50 and $55, which was a strong support range throughout July. The next resistance level after that is right around $68, which used to be a strong support range right back in June before the price crossed the 21-day moving average on the 1-hour chart. Looking at the first news update here, Nikola did open up this week up about 22% after news was announced that they secured an order of over 2,500 electric garbage trucks. The company announced that they will produce garbage trucks for a collection firm called Republic Services for the next 3 years, and the deal could possibly expand to 5,000 trucks. And this deal did complete their goal to secure one major deal by the end of 2020. August does seem like a better month for them so far. July was not so good for the company as the stock continued to fall, and they had their first ever public earnings that they only made about $36,000 in one quarter, which was a solar installation for the CEO. And with the current market cap of about $16.2 billion and almost no vehicle sales, is this company overvalued based on hope, or is it potentially the next Tesla? So right now, is Nikola in Tesla's blind spot, and will it gain dominance in the EV space? As of right now, they are in a concept phase and will start production soon. Will the Honey Badger be able to compete with Tesla's Cybertruck? There are a lot of critics that question if the company will actually be able to go into production, or are they just hyping up the stock? Nikola is one of the most hyped clean energy transportation companies. Right now, it does have an extremely high valuation. They plan on having a strong presence in the EV market, mostly focused on the electric truck market. They have done a good job generating hype for the stock to the point that now people compare it to Tesla. And according to the company, their reservation book exceeded 14,000 units, or $10 billion in potential revenue so far. With lots of potential growth in the clean energy market, Nikola is planning to introduce hydrogen fuel cells versus lithium batteries like what Tesla uses. If the hydrogen fuel cells can be proven, then they will be positioning themselves to be a leader in the clean energy industry. As time goes on, lots of competition is coming into the space, such as traditional automakers. So will Nikola be able to live up to the hype? So since the end of June, when Nikola first listed on Currency.com, it's been having a deep correction, down about 50% now since all-time high. The price crossed below the 21 and the 50-day moving average. The RSI also went to oversold conditions 2 times. The price did have a double bottom here, and things have started to look like they are turning around in August. Here on the 1-hour chart, the price finally did go above the 50-day and the 21-day moving average. The RSI also went into overbought conditions for the first time since all-time high. And the price right now is starting to stabilize right around $40 in that $40 range before it shows a clear trend. It is possible that the price is going to test this $50 major resistance zone, but if that does get rejected, we could possibly have a deep dive down. What we would want is the price to have a lower high than that double bottom, because if it does go back down to test this range down here at around $29, then it would have a high chance of breaking down, and then we could see even lower prices later in the year. And if the price were to reject and break down, then my bearish price target would be right around $20. But some of you may know They do have a major event planned at the end of the year. There is a possibility for the price to continue upwards until this major event, which is called Nikola World 2020, where they will be showcasing their vehicles. And if that is the case, then I would expect the price to test the highs before that and continue its way up, possibly even to a new all-time high if this is a bullish event for the company. My bullish price target right now for Nikola is $110 if things do go good at Nikola World 2020 and that they can show that they are moving into production. The $110 range would then give us a psychological support level of around $100. So do you guys think Nikola will live up to the hype this year? Which one of my price targets do you think have a higher chance of hitting $110 for bullish and $20 for bearish? Let me know in the comments. I would like to see your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.